My name's Andy from Urban Herbs, and in this video I'm going to be introducing you to 6 beautiful herbs that you can grow for autumn to provide you with flavour, with fragrance and with a little bit of beauty and colour throughout the autumnal season. If you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to us and gives us that feedback that we're doing the right thing. Let's get straight into it. These are 6 herbs that I absolutely love growing for the autumn, and I would absolutely suggest that you grow them too. The first herb that I want to talk about is a variety of lavender called Vera. Now, lavender is a fantastic variety to grow for the autumnal season. It provides that foliage, that evergreen presence, that beautiful aroma as we go into the colder months. Many varieties of lavender will actually be flowering very late into September here in the UK, and they will provide you with that beautiful colour, but the bees are going to love harvesting those flowers too. Why have I picked out this variety of lavender in particular? Well, Lavender Vera is a really classic variety of lavender with distinctive, gorgeous silver foliage, and that silver foliage I think is the key. The silver foliage reflects the low-level sunlight which we start to get as we go into September and October. The foliage looks beautiful in its own right. When the low-level sunlight hits this plant, it looks beautiful. Lavender Vera, I would strongly recommend that you grow this variety for autumn. The second variety that we absolutely love growing for autumn is purple sage. Now, some varieties actually look better as you go into the colder months, and purple sage is one of them. The beautiful purple foliage that you can see actually gets darker as you go into the colder months, and the low-level sunlight picks up those dark tones within the foliage, and it looks stunning. It's also really useful in the kitchen too, because as the months get colder, so many of us start to eat comfort food, soups, stews, and purple sage is just as good as your traditional green or grey sage for culinary purposes. It looks great and it tastes good too. What is not to like? Trailing rosemary is a variety that you really should plant now to get it established, ready for the autumnal herb season. Trailing rosemary is a beautiful variety with a soft stem that naturally spills and trails. It's perfect for a hanging basket or a raised bed. It's going to tumble down off the edge of that basket or raised bed and provide you with a really ornamental display. You can plant winter bedding around this too. Absolutely love how this variety looks in the autumn. It tastes really good too. We use so much rosemary with lamb dishes, but also with veggie stir fries. It's a really delicate flavour and it's just so heartwarming on a cold winter evening. We would strongly recommend that you grow some thyme varieties during the autumnal season, and this variety is called Thyme Archer's Gold. It's got a beautiful name, hasn't it? You're going to enjoy these flowers late into the summer. But once this variety stops flowering, that's not the end of the story. The foliage is a green gold colour that again gets highlighted by that beautiful low-level sunlight. It's really hardy, really easy to grow, and we would strongly suggest that Thyme Archer's Gold is a variety that you should grow this autumn. A really cool, unusual variety that you should grow ready for this autumn is the beautiful orange thyme. Orange thyme, yeah, really. In terms of the flavour, orange thyme is a halfway house between traditional common thyme and lemon thyme. It's not quite as citrusy as a lemon thyme, but it's got a beautiful, subtle citrus flavour. It makes it perfect for adding to winter soups and stews. You can serve it on a dessert too as a topping with a strong cheese. It's really, really easy to grow. It'll enjoy a sunny position, nice free draining conditions, like all the thyme varieties that I'm mentioning here. We just love this variety for autumn because when a lot of other varieties are slowing down, this variety is only just getting started, and it's providing you with so much beautiful living flavour. Love orange thyme. The 6th variety that I would strongly suggest that you grow this autumn is the beautiful golden thyme. As the name suggests, this variety provides you with a beautiful golden splash of colour as you go into the autumn. You'll see the colour change on the plant. And at a time when the rest of the garden is slowing down, I think you'll appreciate that colour change so much more. Like all the other varieties of thyme, plant it somewhere sunny and in free draining conditions. It's really easy to grow, very hardy, and I think that you're going to love golden thyme this autumn. I really hope that you've enjoyed meeting those 6 varieties that I think are absolutely fantastic to grow in autumn. If you plant these varieties in August and September, they're still going to grow and they're going to get nicely established, ready for that autumnal season when we need the colour, we need the flavour in our lives, right? I've picked 6 varieties there that I think look really, really good in the autumn. But the truth is, whatever you plant for the autumnal herb season, if it makes you smile, then it's a winner. If it makes you smile, then it works. And we can't wait to hear in the comments section below this video which varieties you enjoy most during the autumnal or the fall herb season. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you've enjoyed it, please leave us a comment, subscribe to our channel. It's lovely to have you with us here, sharing the joy of growing. Until next time, guys, I'm Andy from Urban Herbs, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video.